for how to fix why Google is not working or Google not working on Android phone. In this video, I show you how to fix Google not working problem. For fix this problem, go to Play Store, search for Google, update Google to latest version, wait for completing the update process. Now go back to home screen, then go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Google app, tap on Google, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on permission, allow all permission. Now search for Play service, tap on Google Play service, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, open Google Apps. Now I hope that this method fix Google not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.